Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at the VW Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen California Ocean. This vehicle comes fitted with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 204 PS. The camper also comes with a 7-speed DSG Automatic transmission. This example comes finished in the metallic paint colour Indium Grey. Across the front of the vehicle it features a set of LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights. In the lower portion of the front bumper we'll also find a set of front parking sensors as well as front fog lamps with a cornering function. Down below, the California Ocean sits on a set of 18-inch Terracina black diamond turned alloy wheels. Towards the rear of the vehicle there is a tailgate with a heated rear window. Located just above the rear number plate is a rear view reversing camera, which paired with the rear parking sensors helps you make every parking maneuver with confidence. Taking a look inside the back of the vehicle, plenty of storage space here for luggage and other items, which can be increased by moving the rear passenger bench forward. Taking a look at the rear passenger bench from the inside, there's a comfortable 2-seater passenger bench and everything that you might expect to find in the back of a California. A fridge/cool box, twin hob burner, sink with a folding tap, as well as a table that folds out, providing a comfortable camping experience. Once the sun sets and it's time for bed, the rear passenger bench can be folded flat into a comfortable 2-berth sleeping area. The blinds all around ensure you get a good night's sleep. Up front in the driver's cab we have 2 singular seats, both with 2 armrests apiece and feature a swivelling function. All the seats in the vehicle come finished in the circuit fabric seat trim upholstery, and in the forms of entertainment in the centre of the dash we'll find an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system that also features wireless app connect. Moving down and taking a look at the climate controls, this camper features 2 front heated seats as well as a 3-zone climate control system. Further down to the left we'll find a 12V and 2 USB Type-C charging points, which is handy for keeping those smart devices charged while on the go, and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel as well as a digital cockpit system. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen California Ocean. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.